Life. It holds different meanings for different people, but for some there is only one: suffering. They are those whose daily struggle is to deal with hardships, but who takes care of them? Those who then have to deal with the misery of a loved one falling sick. Who takes care of them? This is the reality of 61% of Pakistan's population living in remote, rural centers with limited access to healthcare. They leave the comfort of their homes to bring their ailing family members to the city for treatment. But who takes care of them? These attendants lie on hospital floors, concrete pavements, hard circumstances, hard lives, because who takes care of them? MoltyFoam stepped up and installed Billbeds in hospitals all over Pakistan. Billbeds, which act as billboards during the day, but with a flick of a hand turn into beds at night.
मेरा नाम खालिद परवेज़ भट्टी है ते मेरी बीवी अस्पताल विच दाखिल है। सारी जिंदगी मेरी बीवी मेरी सेहत का ख्याल रखती रही है ते हुण मैं सो लैना वा ते ओदी सेहत का चंगी तरह ख्याल रख लैना।
मैं तो आराम भी कर लेता हूँ, सो भी जाता हूँ और बाबा जी की दवाई में दौड़ कर लेता हूँ। जब कुछ ना हो तो बाबा जी का हाथ पकड़ कर मैं बैठा रहता हूँ।
मेरा नाम सीप है और आज पहली बार मेरा बेटा रात आराम से सोया है और अब इसका ख्याल रखना मेरे लिए आसान हो गया है।
In its journey of Billbeds, MoltyFoam has already helped thousands of people get a good night's sleep. It is one small step in MoltyFoam's pledge to take care of the people of Pakistan, to make their lives a little easier, a little better, every day.